In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create teachable digital downloads. By the end, you'll know how to set up your product, upload files, customize your sales page, set pricing, and publish it so customers can buy and download right away. First, log into your Teachable school with a role that has permission to create products. In your admin dashboard, look for the Digital Downloads tab and click it. If you don't see it, you can also hit the plus button or select Create New Product, then choose Digital Download. Both paths take you to the same setup. On the Information tab, enter a clear, customer-facing name. Choose a category that best fits your product, like ebook, template, or guide. Write a description that explains what the download is and who it helps, and consider including outcomes, file formats, and any usage notes. Upload a thumbnail image that represents your product. A clean, high-contrast image often performs best. Click Save before moving on so you don't lose your work. Next, scroll to the Content area to upload your files. Click Upload and add everything your customers should receive. You can include multiple files, such as a PDF paired with audio or images. Supported file types include documents like .pdf, .docx, and .epub, spreadsheets like XLS, XLSX, and CSV, images like .jpg, .png, and .webp, and audio like P3, A, and .AAC. Use clear file names so buyers know what each item is. Important note: once you upload and publish, anyone who has access to the product can immediately download all included files, so make sure everything is final before you go live. Now, head to the Pages tab to set up your sales page. Edit the page with a strong title, a concise description, and images that showcase the download. Add a clear download or purchase button so visitors know exactly how to get it. When the page looks the way you want, copy the page URL so you can share it or embed it on your website. Then, open the Pricing tab. Choose whether the product will be free, a one-time payment, or a payment plan if you want to split the cost into installments. Pick the option that best fits the value and size of your download, and then save your pricing settings. Finally, when your information, content, sales page, and pricing are all set, click Publish. Turn the product visibility toggle on so the product is visible to customers. That's it. Your Teachable digital download is live and ready to share.